self-esteem, confidence and motivated children to excel academically and also help building social skills. Such a committed teacher. Now here are two incentive award winners of prestigious Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Mohan Babu Garu and Maria ma'am. Both are the reasons for many students to come to school. Really ma'am, we'll miss you from next Independence Day, but it's really our honor to be with you all celebrating 74th Independence Day. Now, may I call upon the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar, navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to give the message of the day. May I request Sri S.S. Raja Garu to kindly bless us on this day. Rajas.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
At the outset, let me wish you all 74th Happy Independence Day of our country. If children were here, this would have echoed with nice Happy Independence Day vibrations sound in the entire assembly. Dear children, we are missing you, but you are there in our hearts. Most respected Mr. Mohan Babu, respected Madam Maria, who are the special guests for the day, and we have respected Mr. J.V. Rao Garu, senior most teacher of this Vidyalaya, respected Madam Bhagyavalli, the headmistress of this Vidyalaya, dear teachers, dear parents, and my dearest students who will be watching this particular video, who will be seeing in the YouTube. Just now, Madam Maria has explained you how we struggle to get independence. But now we have a different struggle and we need independence from the virus. So let us all pray God Almighty that very soon we will all become independent from this particular virus. The fear of this virus affecting us, disturbing our health. We need that kind of independence, and I am sure in our country the herd immunity will start very soon, and all of us will become immune towards this particular virus, and we will have independence from this virus very soon. Dear children, maybe it is the first time in the history of our country that on the day of independence that children are not coming to the school. For the safety of the children, you at home can as well celebrate and enjoy this Independence Day. So dear children, stay home, stay safe. There are few things which you have to, all the precautions which you have to take. I will not repeatedly tell you all these the precautions. Just maybe another 3 or 4 months, either the vaccine would come or we will all become immune towards this particular virus, and I am sure that will become another Independence Day. Dear children, the moment Corona started, I was roaming various medical shops for the sake of sanitizer, for the sake of mask. In most of the shops they were saying, sir, it is not there, we don't have, there is no supply. And I was wondering how to protect ourselves from this particular virus. But now you see, every medical shop, every shop is filled with sanitizers. It has got plenty of masks, and we are also donating masks to maximum people. This is called Atma Nirbharta. So we have risen to the occasion and we have made ourselves self-sufficient. So dear children, see, all other countries, the economy has fallen down, but Indian economy hasn't fallen down and it has stood the time. So let us all clap for this wonderful, great achievement of our country and this Atma Nirbharta. So dear children, at home, when you are at home with your parents, you usually spend 4 to 5 hours interacting with your teachers and taking and learning. Apart from this, please help your parents, especially your mother, in her work, and also see to it that your house is beautifully decorated. Involve yourself in gardening and in so many other activities that you can do at home and learn at home. learn various skills, painting skills, dance, etc. At home, we can do so many things. This coronavirus has taught us so many things, especially it has taught us cleanliness. So let us continue with this particular great lesson which this particular virus has taught us. So once again, I wish everyone to be safe, to be healthy, to develop immunity at the earliest, and happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Principal Sir. Care is the sweetest essence in the world. If someone says, take care, it means that you will live in that person's heart until the last breath. Such a caring and loving person is a navigator. We have teachers who are passionate towards the job. Now, I'm glad to introduce one such teacher with us, Sunila Jyotsna ma'am, onto the dais, who is there to help the children in providing smartphones, Android phones, so that the teaching learning process become more effective, more useful and more efficient to the children who are in need of them. Now may I request Principal Sir to kindly present the Androids to the deserving candidates. I request the students also to be on the dais. Sunila Jyotsna ma'am, can you call out the names? Names of the students.
I request Rahul of 7th D to come onto the dais along with his father and the girl of 9th standard, Navya, I believe. Okay. Yes, sir. I request Mohan Babu sir. I request Mohan Babu sir to give away the cell phones to the deserved candidate, Rahul of 70. We have something else to talk. Now I request Navya ma'am, Navya's mother. I request Navya's mother and Navya to come. Of 9th C sir. Now I request Maria ma'am to give away the cell phone to the deserving candidate Navya of 9th C. The other students, Kirti of 7th D and Vivek Charan of 7th D, they have not come yet. They will be coming now shortly. Then they will be given with the cell phones. I thank Sunita ma'am for giving this opportunity to me and thank you.
Children, gathering, I really appreciate each and every moment being rendered and made it an excellence in today's celebration. I thank one and all who are present here.
Madam, I request Rahim Munisa's parent to come here and also Indu's parent. These are the parents of my class who are willingly giving their money to purchase cell phones to the students. I request Rahim Munisa's parent to give away the 1,000 rupees which she was intended to give to principal sir. Ma'am, thanks. The cell phones are donated by Shankar Garikapati, my classmate when I was a student, and these are the parents who are also giving